Alright, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be working on this here GE dryer. I know it's got some bearing issues, but I'm just going to take it apart, clean it out, and see if there's anything else I see, put it back together, and test it, and we'll see how it is. On these, there's these little screws right here, I think is the first thing to come out. So we'll go ahead and do that. See what it is. I'm alone today, so filming is gonna be interesting. So then there's these two right here. They almost look like they're not even Phillips. Sometimes when they get like this, they're either stripped or they're square. I just grab the square. I don't know about you guys, but I have more luck with this. Maybe they were square to begin with. Not sure. I guess the front lifts up. Now do we take this one out? This one out, I think. Look at this. It's like an IDE cable. Lift straight up on this, I think. Except it seems to be stuck over here. There we go. Now lift straight up. There's these pockets that slide over this part. Okay, now that exposes screw here and one here. I don't know if there's any on the bottom. Yep, there's two on the bottom. It looks like you don't have to pull them all the way out though. Just loosen them. And the thing will slide into them later. Okay, so now we're gonna pull this one out here. I'll undo these wires first. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, this one came with the bearing delete. You know, I'm assuming it went ahead and deleted itself for the guy. So, you know, this is all supposed to be in there, but we'll see how the inside of this is. We'll pull the belt off first this time. That's what I feel like doing today. It's not too dirty. There's nothing really crazy. I mean, but it might not have ran that long before it broke. There is like a little bit of buildup right here. Looks like I don't see any broken little porcelain things. This one's a little bent. Need another hand here. Okay, that one has continuity, and they are not grounded out. We got some old school board here. November 11/4. 11 November 4. Is that? Do you think that's 2004 or 2011? Clean it out and order a bearing, and this will be a two-parter. The diagnosis, everything looks good except the bearing, so we'll just put a bearing kit in it and probably good. I'll vacuum it out real quick. I'm gonna order the kit. Looks like the lower piece of it is also broken, so if it's too expensive, this one might not get fixed, but if I can make it work on the numbers, then I'm gonna try to do it, just to have a video on replacing the whole thing. Normally, a lot of times I'll just replace the top and it's cheaper, but the bottom's broken, so we'll do that maybe. But so that's gonna do it for this one. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time. Hopefully you guys have a good day. Bye.